So we have pledged to plant 1 tree for every 1 shirt sold. That's the third kit, the green third kit that we have here. We've broken records, we've sold over 2,000 shirts for a third kit, which is extraordinary really. Sort of a passion outside of football of mine to help the environment in any way we can, and I was told it was a green shirt and it was just 1 + 1. It just made sense for me really to do that. So we opened the doors at 11. We've had quite a nice little queue outside, steady flow of people coming in. We don't have that many trees left, I would say. So that first initial rush really took a hit, which is quite nice to see. It's been really well supported by the fans online and sort of in person, just people telling me like what a great idea it was.
It's really good, it's a nice thing to do, it's a good thing. I see a lot of kids coming down, it's a good thing for them that, you know, to put something back, and I think the project's been really helpful, and yes, it's just a good cause all around really. I think it's a way, you know, everyone's going in the world that, you know, we do need to put back and look after the earth, and I think something like this, like I said, the young kids here down here, it's a good thing for them to learn, and it's good that the club are doing something like this. It's a really good project.
So we had Gerard Rodriguez and Charlie Taylor come down this morning to help give out a few trees and have a few selfies in that, so that was quite good. And it always helps sort of to have a player around. They've been really supportive and it's been quite a good initiative for them and for us.
Really successful, so really pleased with it. We sold over 2,000 of the third kit shirts, the green shirts, which was fantastic. I think a record for certainly a third kit for us. That meant we could distribute over 2,000 trees into the local community. Day one, we had over 1,500 trees being distributed to fans, to community groups, to schools. So we'll see trees being planted across East Lancashire in gardens, in churches, in community groups, down at the training ground. We're also got a planting going on at our Whitehall Outdoor Education Centre, so we've got over 500 trees down there as well that are currently being put in the ground. So a really successful campaign. We're really pleased with it. We're pleased to play our part. We know what's going on in the world regarding climate change, and if we can play our part in our little corner of East Lancashire, then that's something we're really pleased with. Everybody knows that the club is a powerful force for good and has the ability to change things and have an impact on things, and I think we have a fantastic fan base here, a great group of staff here at the football club who embrace all those things, and we just felt we could play our little part. I think watch this space, because I think, you know, there's more work for the club to be doing in that environmental policy piece of work, and we look forward to talking to supporters about that over the coming months and years.